Hey everybody, welcome to my Apple Watch Series 4 video. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about the new awesome features in the Series 4 Apple Watch, so stay tuned. The first new feature is right in your face, the all-new display. It's pushed edge to edge and is over 30% larger than the previous display without noticeably making the case bigger, and even offers a higher resolution. With this new awesome display comes new complications and new watch faces. There's a new complication face that offers up to 8 complication spaces, and there's 3 new dynamic watch faces, fire, water, and vapor, that look really cool. The Apple Watch Series 4 now comes with a new S4 64-bit processor that's supposed to help deliver an experience that's 2 times faster than the previous generation and includes such features as Bluetooth 5.0 and a next-generation accelerometer and gyroscope that's supposed to be 8 times faster that will help deliver new features like fall detection. With fall detection, when a fall is detected, the Apple Watch will display an alert, prompting you to call emergency services, and if it senses you are immobile for more than 1 minute, it will start the call automatically and report your location to emergency services. That sounds pretty helpful. The Apple Watch Series 4 also extends its heart health features with the first electrocardiogram, or ECG, offered over-the-counter directly to consumers now built in. It can help diagnose heart conditions, and it's really simple to use. Just open the app, put your finger on the digital crown, and after 30 seconds it will classify your heart status and even looks for low or irregular heartbeats, and can even help detect atrial fibrillation. The feature, as well as irregular heart rate detection, has even received FDA clearance, and is supported by the American Heart Association. All of the health data is encrypted on the device and in the cloud, making your heart information safe and secure. The back of all Series 4 models is now made out of black ceramic and sapphire crystal, making it highly functional and will allow signals to pass through the front and the back of the watch for better signal reception. The digital crown has also been re-engineered and even provides haptic feedback, so now you can feel the cards move by when you switch apps or scroll through lists. The microphone on the Series 4 has also been moved to the opposite side to help increase clarity for Siri commands and phone calls, and the speaker has been made much louder too. In fact, it's supposed to be 50% louder. I can't wait to hear this in person. And finally, the big question that was on everyone's mind, the battery life. The battery life on the Series 4 is still the same with all these new features. It is rated to last up to 18 hours and now offers a 6-hour outdoor workout time, so it should still get you through the day. The Apple Watch Series 4 comes in 2 new sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and is backward compatible with existing Apple Watch bands. The Series 4 will be available in both aluminum and stainless steel finishes. The aluminum will be available in space gray, silver, and gold, while the stainless steel will be offered in gold, space black, and stainless steel. The pricing is remaining pretty consistent, with the aluminum Series 4 starting at $399 for the GPS version and $499 for the cellular versions, and the stainless steel version starting at $699 and going up to $1499 for the Hermes Series 4 depending on the band you choose. The Series 3 will remain in the lineup and has been repriced to $279 for the GPS model and $379 for cellular models. A really great deal if you don't need the latest and greatest. You can pre-order your Series 4 Apple Watch starting September 14th, with availability starting on September 21st. I'm really excited to get my new Apple Watch Series 4. Are you excited about the Series 4 as well? Share your thoughts and favorite features in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.